Tanto, born on July 3, 1972. Kuo Wei Su, born on December 10, 1973. Kuo Fang Su, born on December 15, 1970. Kuo Chi Su, born on October 4, 1969. Thus, we interpose no objection to the granting of their Philippine citizenship, Your Honor.
Nag-worry yung iba eh. Kala nila nasa listahan sila eh. Actually, this is the list na gusto ninyong nandun kayo, di ba? Because you are not in the, sabi niya, they are not in the, is a not in the list of lookout, etc. Pero ganito, you can check, pag sinabi you can check the date when they first arrived in the Philippines. Kaya ninyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sige. But not now, not now.
Ay.
In writing na lang.
Okay.
When they first arrive, para ma-match natin sa stories nila.
Yes, Your Honor. Although some of the information may be limited considering the data is only available as of 1990, late 90s po naging available yung data.
Okay. Okay. Next, who is the Colonel of Lieutenant Colonel Gadya?
Hello. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. For the PNP, we have conducted a verifications through our crime information reporting and analysis system, or the CIRAS, and also with the e-warrant system and the national police clearance, which resulted to negative record from the system, sir. Of all the 9 applicants, to include Mr. Jiang Gu, who is not present today, sir. However, sir, we are still waiting for the result of the complete background investigation to be conducted by the intelligence group of the PNP. So the result will be forwarded as soon as obtained, sir.
Thank you. Who else? Ma'am Rica? Ma'am Rica Agustin, you're here for the citizenship or for the third part? Si Angelita pala. Angelita Sugkang. Yes. Department of Foreign Affairs. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chairperson, members of the Committee on Human Rights and Naturalization, fellow colleagues in the government service and private stakeholders and guests. Mayong hapon kaninyong tanan. The OCA Visa Division, Office of Consular Affairs, Department of Foreign Affairs certifies that the 9 applicants for naturalization has no derogatory records in the visa lookout list database. Hence, the department interposes no objection in the granting of Philippine citizenship to these 9 applicants, foreign nationals. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Any Matias? Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
OSG.
Good afternoon. May I just manifest, Mr. Chair, that the DMS, the Docket Management Service of the Office of the Solicitor General and the Secretariat of the Special Committee on Naturalization has issued certifications stating that the applicants, the 10 applicants who are subject of this hearing today, Mr. Chair, that there are no petitions for naturalization except for one applicant, Your Honor, which is who is applicant Mr. Won Suk Hyo, which is pending with the Regional Trial Court of Makati, Your Honor. Other than that, Mr. Chair, we do not have any other information, Your Honor.
Can I ask you for your professional opinion? What's the effect? Para bang forum shopping yan?
I may not be at liberty to state my opinion on that matter, Mr. Chair.
Nagjo-joke lang ako. Huwag ka mag-alala. I mean, kayo mag-alala kasi actually yung pinail mo under your control, you can always withdraw it, right? Yes, Senator Bato de la Rosa.
Mr. Chair, yung sitwasyon na yun, that should be taken as a positive doon sa applicant because masyado siya sigurista eh. Naniguro siya na matanggap talaga siya. Two bodies ang kanyang inaplayan. So talaga it shows his desire to become a Filipino. And for that, we have to congratulate him.
Tolentino?
Rica Agustin from the Department of Labor. Kung
Yes, po.
sakasakaling sila ay maging ma-approve na maging Filipino citizen. Kanina po si Miss Grace Tanto ay hindi siya pwedeng maging presidente ng kanilang eskwelahan sa Cagayan de Oro. So po pwede na siya ayon
Yes,
sa
sir.
batas. Halimbawa po si Father Vice Sheikh gusto rin magbukas ng eskwelahan. Pwede po 'yan.
Yes po.
Ayun.
Since
Halimbawa
naturalized.
po si Mr. Won Suk Hyu, you're from Makati. Where in Makati? Taguig side, Makati side, saan? Makati side.
Yes.
Halimbawa po
Makati
si Mr. Won Suk Hyu, gustong tumakbong barangay captain sa Makati. Pwede rin? Filipino citizen na siya?
Natural born, sir.
Natural born. Ayun. Pero halimbawa po sigurado ka natural born? Ha? You might be wrong. Pwede siyang tumakbo. So, halimbawa pong gusto niyang magtrabaho sa maging isang siya ngayon ay nasa mga digital. Gusto niya mag-apply sa isang trabaho dito sa isang call center. Pwede.
Yes, sir.
Pwede. Ang Pilipino na siya, di ba?
Opo.
Ayun. Halimbawa siya meron pala siya. Are you involved in boxing, Mr. Basketball? Mr. Won Suk Hyu. What sports?
Just golf, Your Honor.
Golf.
Not
Oh,
basketball.
gusto niya magaling siya. Pilipino na siya. Pwede siya sa national team ng golf.
Yes po.
Ayun. So, kung gusto niya magpulis,
Ang qualification
pwede. Filipino na.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? Filipino na. So lahat ng karapatan ng Pilipino na binibigay sa mga Pilipino rin ay pwede nilang tanggapin.
Yes, sir.
Makakuha sila ng card, yung gaya ng pinamimigay ni Senator Gatchalian, yung PWD card, senior citizens card, NATO card, lahat ng mga yung mga cards na totoo. So lahat po doon ay pwede sila, yung mga binibigay ng pamahalaan.
Yes po.
Ayun. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chairman.
Sige, Senator Gatchalian.
Maganda yung topic na nabuksan, except yung mga natural born, di ba? So, what are the limitations kung hindi ka natural born? Number one, yung pagtakbo sa Kongreso, di ba? Pagtakbo rin sa Senado. No, what else ang hindi President and Vice President, di ba? Yun lang ba? Okay.
Teka muna, meron ba sa inyo nagbabalak na kaya ba kayo gusto maging Pilipino dahil tulungan nyo kami sa Senado? Ganon?
Alis po.
Sali. Okay. Teka, ganito. Medyo nabitin kasi ako dun sa 3 minutes na explanation. Can you submit in writing just an essay on why do you really want to be a Filipino? But limit it to maximum 2 pages, short bond, font 14. Okay? Okay. Assignment. Okay. That's your homework. That's your homework. Okay, we will now proceed to part 3. What is it?
Pending,
What is the motion ba?
subject to the submission of
Yes, subject to the submission of the documents. Although the COMSEC said that even before we heard the petitions, they already complied. But double checking, then subject to the submission of your homework to the chairman, we will now, what's the motion? We will now,
of this deemed submitted to the plenary,
deem submitted to the committee.
to the
To the
committee.
committee. The committee will have to decide. Sige, but don't leave us first kasi tapusin lang namin itong part 3 kasi so that you will also learn kasi this is about yung mga na ginawa yung na naturalize na namin in the past nasa feeling ng author of the resolution, Senator